and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai and today I will be showing you how to print Precious Memories full bleed thank you cards. To start off, we'll select our product on the left-hand side. Underneath our Layouts tab, we'll make sure that full bleed is selected. Next, we'll go to the Print Information button to view the dimensions needed to print this product. For more visual assistance, take a look at the tutorials listed on the left-hand side. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll select Print to generate our PDF file. If you haven't set your computer to do this automatically, please see our how-to video on the process. At this point, we typically suggest you view both the front and back of the template to be sure that everything has loaded correctly. Once you're satisfied with the results, click File, Print, and we'll begin editing our printer settings. Starting from the top, we'll select the desired printer. Here, we'll change the number of copies we want to print, and we'll make sure that the following options have been selected: all pages, actual size, choose paper source by PDF page size, print on both sides of the paper, and we will flip on the long edge because this is a portrait template. On the right-hand side, we'll want to make sure that the document size and page size match in both width and height. Next, we'll go into the Advanced Properties and make a few changes towards the bottom. On our document size, we'll want to make sure it's the 8.5 by 14 legal page size that we saw on the previous page. The orientation will still be portrait. We'll change the ink to color. And on the right-hand side, we have the option to change our input tray. Today, I will be using the bypass tray. Last but not least, we have the paper type, and this will always be thick 1 to ensure that the ink will stick to the paper. At this point, we can register our current settings to create a one-click preset. Do this by naming the preset here and clicking OK. Once you've done this, an icon will appear, and by clicking on this on your next print job, it will make the same exact settings that you have now. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll be ready to print. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.